The Constitution of India. Part 5. The Union. Chapter 4. The Union Judiciary. Article 147. Interpretation. In this chapter and in Chapter 5 of Part 6, references to any substantial question of law, as to the interpretation of this Constitution, shall be construed as, including references to any substantial question of law, as to the interpretation of the Government of India Act, 1935, including any enactment amending or supplementing that Act, or of any order in council, or order made thereunder, or of the Indian Independence Act, 1947, or of any order made thereunder.